How to add text box in MS PowerPoint on mobile. So first of all, launch MS PowerPoint app on your mobile devices. From here, you can simply open your existing MS PowerPoint slide or tap on this plus button to create a new one. Choose a layout according to your preference. Now, in order to add a text box, what you would have to do is, if you tap on that slide, you'll see an arrow button at the bottom right. Tap on it. Then you'll see the category of Home. Select on it and from here choose Insert. Then you'll see the option of Text Box. Tap on it. And with that, you will simply be able to add a text box. You can edit the text box on your slide according to your preferences. You can increase or decrease the text box size. You can tap on it and then you can simply delete it as well. So follow these easy steps in order to add a text box on MS PowerPoint on mobile. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.